Hello, everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the Employee Qualification Master Data Template under the Employee Qualification section. We'll begin with the instructions sheet. Here first we have Tab section, which provides an overview of all the templates included in this section. Next, we have the Definitions tab, which explains each template in more detail to help you better understand the purpose and structure of the data. Following that, we cover the prerequisites. These outline the necessary requirements before entering data into the sheet. Then we move on to the template instructions. It's important that you read these carefully before you start filling out the data template. After that, please refer to the data entry instructions, which provides step-by-step guidance for accurately completing the template. Next, we have the Trigger section, which comes into play after filling out the worksheet. This section is used to validate the entries by highlighting any missing data or incorrectly formatted information. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to the Data Template Overview video. Now let's move on to the Employee Qualification Master Data Template sheet and see how to add the data in each column. The prerequisite for this template is employee personal details. In this worksheet, please enter the details of employee qualifications, including the degrees they have obtained and the universities or institutes from which they graduated. Now we have the columns to fill the details. Employee number, staff ID. The data for this column is referred from the Employee Personal Information Worksheet. It is a unique identification number assigned to each employee by the organization. Employee name. Mention the full name of the employee for whom the qualification data is being recorded. Qualification name. Specify the qualification the employee has obtained. If an employee has multiple qualifications, repeat the employee number and employee name for each qualification entry. Qualification category name. Indicate the category of the qualification, such as bachelor's, master's, doctoral, honors, or PhD. Qualification country. Enter the name of the country from which the employee obtained the qualification. Qualification status. Select the current status of the qualification from the available list of values. Options may include past, ongoing, terminated, or failed. Institute name. Provide the name of the institute where the employee completed the qualification. University name. Mention the university that awarded the qualification. University country. Indicate the country in which the university is located. This is all about this section, that how you can add the data in Qualification Master Data Template. That concludes today's session. Thank you for attending.